45. Our professional thieves. Just yesterday, a friend of mine who has always some battles with taxmen, which he has always won, had another such visitor. This new auditor told him that he was there to stay until something could be found. Others, of course, have had similar experiences. Stories like this anger us. We want to call these taxmen professional thieves and more. Are we right? Well, only to a degree. True, taxation is increasingly becoming a form of legalized theft, and the taxman a shakedown artist. But whom is he working for? And who makes him do these things? Whenever and wherever we want special services from civil government or subsidies, aids and grants, we are asking and ordering civil authorities to go out and collect the funds for these things from our neighbours and to collect them forcibly. If we outnumber others, we get most of the loot. If we are outnumbered, we are the robbed and not the robbers. The fact that this taxman does it for us does not alter our guilt. We are the boss thieves. Now the Bible plainly says, quote, "Thou shalt not steal," Exodus 20:15. This means it is a sin if we steal or if we order someone, like a taxman, to do the stealing for us. If we make theft a virtue for us, then it will also be seen as a virtue for others. If theft is for our welfare, others will soon see it as good for the general welfare, and soon citizenship and voting become a license to steal. Our society then becomes a lawless jungle because the godly foundations thereof are destroyed. Sooner or later, there is a judgment on all sin. The counsel of God still stands. Let him that stole steal no more, but rather let him labour, working with his hands the thing which is good, that he may have to give to him that needeth. Ephesians 4:28.